Hey, so if you're trying to decide between Webflow and WordPress in 2026, this video will save you a lot of time. Both are powerful, but they're built for totally different types of users. Let's break it down. So Webflow is a visual website builder. You design everything directly on the screen without writing code. It also handles hosting, speed, and security for you. WordPress, on the other hand, is more flexible. It uses themes and plugins, so you can build almost anything. But yeah, it takes a bit more setup. If you're a beginner, Webflow is usually easier to manage visually. WordPress can feel a bit confusing at first, especially with plugins and settings. When it comes to design, Webflow gives you full control, pixel perfect. WordPress depends on themes unless you customize it heavily. Now, WordPress wins in flexibility. With thousands of plugins, you can add almost any feature, like e-commerce, memberships, or advanced SEO. Webflow sites are usually faster out of the box because everything is optimized automatically. WordPress speed depends on your hosting and setup. With Webflow, you don't worry about updates or security, it's all handled. WordPress needs regular updates, backups, and plugin management. Webflow is all-in-one pricing, hosting included. WordPress can be cheaper at first, but costs add up with hosting, plugins, and themes. So here's the simple answer. If you want something easy, fast, and design-focused, go with Webflow. But if you need maximum control and flexibility, WordPress is the better choice. And yeah, that's the real difference in 2026. It's not about which one is better overall. It's about what works for you. Pick based on your goal, and you'll be good to go. Hey, so